Hey, it's Nikea here. This is not usually how I start off videos, but whatever. I am going to be organizing the pantry, snack cabinet, and refrigerator in my kitchen. And I was sitting here opening the stuff, and I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be recording this. So I've already started opening things. Okay, so this is the pantry. Embarrassing. That needs to be organized. And this is where I keep all my spices and seasonings. And this just needs to be reorganized because the shelves are deep and it's just, it's organized, but it's not aesthetically pleasing. And here is the snack cabinet. This is mostly Harper snacks and some random things thrown in there. But definitely need to get rid of like all these boxes. And then here's our refrigerator, which is a wonderful size. The French doors, which the refrigerator is not too bad. It's not stuffed or anything. It just needs organization. So here's the fridge and here's the doors. I already tried to organize it a little bit. Have some semblance of order. So that's our refrigerator, cabinet, and pantry. So we recently had our housewarming and people gave us gifts and monies. So I went on our Amazon registry and bought these things. I will link everything below in the description box, but I got this set of 6 little trays and I measured the cabinets and everything beforehand to make sure that these would be deep enough. They're actually a little bit shorter. So I want to use these in the snack cabinet as well as in the refrigerator. This is a 6-piece organization set for specifically for your refrigerator. So it comes with an egg container with 14 spaces for your eggs. And I love how it has like a little handle so you can pull it out and slide it. Yeah, so 1 egg holding tray and 5 drawers. So I'm getting all out now because I want to wash it. And then I got this food storage container set, 24 pieces. So we have different sizes. And it has the snap lids like this. And then it comes with labels and a chalk marker and some measuring spoons. That's pretty cool. Y'all know no kitchen or pantry organization video content is complete without spice jars. So I did this for my mom. I love the glass jars. They're just convenient, easy, and I want everything to be uniform. They do come with labels. They have these clear ones and these black ones that you can write on. So you can put it like on the top of the jar. I only got 1 set of those. I think that was enough for what I needed. I actually went through and counted and wrote down everything. But I got these labels because I feel like this just goes with our aesthetic, you know, modern farmhouse chic. And right now what I want to do is clean everything. I'm going to just sanitize them. To start by organizing the snack cabinet because that's the easiest. So I have to clean it out first and then we'll start with organizing. Oh my God, back at it again. Hey. So I gotta get this cabinet organized, which is our snack cabinet. Got to get that together. What we want to do is clean it out. Can y'all see that? Let's bring y'all in close. Yeah, so we got to clean all this out. So I'm gonna take everything out and put it on the counter or the stove over here. So got all these boxes. God, Harper had all, see, this is why it needs to be cleaned out, because Harper had all these applesauce pouches back here. Whew. Back y'all up a little bit. handy dandy disinfecting wipes. I'm just gonna wipe down the shelves. So I have these little trays that I showed y'all the other day. Alright, this is already giving me all the aesthetically pleasing vibes. Now we got her Rice Krispie treats, which she loves. Alright, these apple sauces. Let's see. It's one good thing about cleaning out the cabinets. You can see what you have and what stuff is out of date, what you need to get rid of. And then we have these fruit roll-ups. I'm trying to think. Oh, and we have goldfish. That's the last snack. Another thing we have is pretzels. So I have these containers. Clearly not big enough. I told y'all I'm learning as I go. So these things are a little more, as Ms. Vaughn would say, unsightly. Yeah. I'm gonna put those at the top. Okay, they fit on that shelf, but not this bottom one. And I'm gonna put this over here on this side, since it's like an extra. Will this fit under here? Perfect. Y'all, this cabinet is so clean. Like, there's so much more room. I was not expecting that. Like, look at all this space. All right, y'all. That's the new cabinet. Wow. Look at how much space is in there. Just look at that. It just looks so much better. But this snack cabinet, it looks good. These are all of the boxes that I was able to get rid of. And this is just old goldfish. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting this to be like this satisfying. Well, that's done. The next thing we have to tackle is this cabinet or this pantry. This is the next thing on the list. There's so much stuff in here. OMG. Let's start with the seasoning. I really do think that's gonna be the easiest thing. So I have these seasonings here that are already in the jars that I like, so I'm just gonna take these labels off and replace it. So I'm just gonna grab the stuff and put it up. Alright, so I'm gonna go through on these. I have several jars like this. This is like Great Value organic seasoning, so I'm just going to take the store labels off and put these on. Alright, cumin. The first one in a new jar.
Oh my gosh.
right, y'all, I'm back to do some pantry organization. So I actually went ahead and emptied out this pantry last night. Y'all see my shelf? Look at that! Look at my shelf! But I'm gonna wipe the shelves down with my disinfecting wipe. So everything is over here on the table. So I think the first thing I'm gonna start with is the spaghetti, just because it's easiest. I don't know where I'm gonna put stuff. Here's my first thing, organized. The labels that came with it. I think I have pretty nice handwriting. How do I get this other marker, y'all? I hope I spelled spaghetti right. Ooh, fancy. All right, y'all, it's another day. Focus. Okay, there we go. It's another day. Still gotta finish the pantry, but this is what I have so far. So I put the containers in there. My camera died when I was doing the labels, but this is what we have. It just looks so much better. Labels actually worked out really well. I like the way they look. They're cute. So couscous. Yeah, I realized that I still need some more containers, but I just didn't want to go ham in buying stuff. Trying to find the good light. I didn't want to go ham in buying stuff and then just have too much, so I just underestimated, which I'm okay with. And now I just have my cans. So I know I need a can rack. I need a Lazy Susan for my sauces and oils, and I need the little like glass little shaker jar so I can put like this balsamic vinegar inside a jar, and so all the jars look the same and it's just, it fits the aesthetic. Okay, I'm all about condensing stuff down. This is probably expired. Wow, y'all, this says 2016. And then this basket is gonna be for things that I want a container for. What we have so far. I'm gonna put the, oh, y'all can see? This is what we have so far. I'm gonna put these up top behind this container. That's the thing, it's deep but it's not wide. There's some things that can go on the floor down here. I got this big thing of vinegar. And we have some juices, some leftover plasticware, and Harper's noodles. These mints. Alright, so here is the pantry, phase 1. I want this whole shelf to be the jars, and maybe the bottom have the refills. So here's the bottom of this pantry. Y'all seen it before. This is definitely a step up. gonna get some baskets to hold stuff. And then I will need the can rack so I can put my cans up there. I think this basket is good. Then we have all these seasonings and flavorings and stuff. They need to be on a Lazy Susan. And then like I said, these cabinets are more deep than wide, so I have to stack stuff in front of each other. I didn't want to, but this is stuff I don't use very often. You know, mostly baking stuff. And then up here, this basket is full of things that need a container. So I'll probably need another set of containers. And then these are my cereal containers that I already have. And then anything extra is kind of behind. But this is definitely an improvement. Not where I want it to be, but it's also not where it used to be. But now we're on to the next phase of our kitchen organization. The last phase, which is to organize this refrigerator. So I'm gonna pull everything out. But yeah, I'm gonna pull stuff out, clean it out so that we can get this organized. Yeah, it needs to be wiped down. As you can see, just some spillage. We've actually gotten a lot of usage out of this refrigerator since we bought it and moved in. So just gonna get rid of some stuff. I hate throwing away food, but you know, when you have stuff like not organized, you can't really see anything. It's gonna go to waste anyway. So let's get to cleaning. Whew. All right, that's the refrigerator all cleaned out. Gonna use my microban, get rid of the germs. Alright, I wanted to get a paper towel because you know when stuff is wet, it doesn't want to come up. So there's like some little pieces of like onion and fruit and vegetables that are stuck in the bottom. So I'm just getting those up with the dry paper towel. Alright, I think the easiest thing is going to be the eggs. I believe I'm going to put these on top, like so, like that. So I'll probably need to get another one of those because we usually have at least 18 eggs. That only holds 14. So we'll have anywhere between 18 and 36. So on the list, one more egg holder. 1 4 left. All right. Ooh, perfect. So that fits in the drawer. I didn't measure the drawers beforehand to see, but that works. So I can put the cuties in here. And then if I have some like apples or anything else, I can kind of put those behind. I can put those behind there. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna use these other bins for. I'll have to think. One, and I love that these shelves have a lip. Y'all see? Oh, y'all can't see. These shelves, it has like a little lip to keep the tray from sliding. I think I do want to use one of these for Harper's juices. All right, I'm gonna use this one for cheese and other dairy products. Then I'm gonna put another one of these in here for vegetables. I just have carrots and cucumbers. I might put onions in there too. This drawer is gonna be for meat. All right, Harper's juices are gonna go right here. And then one cool thing about our fridge is we have this shelf. We have this shelf that we can push back so that our juices can fit here. The ginger ale is not soda, it's medicine. All right, now time to put all the dressings and sauces and such back. right, that's it, y'all. So I have this whole shelf in here that doesn't have anything on it. We got this drawer for snacks and juice. Got our vegetable drawer. The meat drawer slash soda drawer for the weekend. And then all of my sauces and condiments are on the door. I do need to get a butter dish and then also get another egg tray. And then I can just stack them on top of each other. And I still have one more of these left. Y'all, I'm tired. That is my kitchen organization phase 1. I'm gonna come back and do some more stuff later once I get more of my bins and containers, but this is where we are. That's it for now, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Let me know if you want to see some more housework organization type videos, and I'll make sure I come back in some way on my Instagram or here and share with y'all like the final results once I get everything. But this is definitely a good start. I can see where stuff is. I know where stuff is. I can see when I need to refill things, so this will be good for me. All right, y'all, see you in the next one.